Hi, this is Dr. Steflik with Coastal Integrative Healthcare in Edgewater and Palm Coast, Florida. And I wanted to show you today one of our special machines that we have in the office. It's called a Shockwave therapy. So extracorporeal shockwave therapy is the actual full name. It can be abbreviated. But we brought this machine into the office. We have it in both our locations because it is amazing at treating certain conditions that are very difficult to treat otherwise. One of them is peripheral neuropathy. So this is numbness, tingling, burning in the hands. Typically it's in the feet is where it starts, in the toes. Loss of balance, just painful at night is more common. Typically these patients, a lot of them, up to a third of them, could be diabetic, type 2 diabetic. But there's a lot of other causes for peripheral neuropathy too. It's more common as we age, typically in our late 70s. So this machine helps treat that along with some other therapies that we do in the office. But this is a very key component. So what the machine does is it helps stimulate blood flow. So we would come in here and we'd pick an area to treat. Typically for neuropathy, we're doing foot and ankle. And it'll preset our frequency of hertz, which we can change, and also the energy bars goes up to 4. So once those things are preset, it's going to tell us how many repetitions, how many hits it's going to get. So it's at 1,000 right now. If we take our gun, you look at the gun that it gets here, it has inside it, it's got an air compression. You'll hear the air compressor, it's really loud in a minute. And it's got like a little bullet that bounces back and forth in there. And it hits this, and this is hitting on top of the skin, and it's going to stimulate a trauma without creating a trauma. So when it does that, it's going to stimulate blood flow to help heal and repair that area. And that's one of the biggest problems with peripheral neuropathy is lack of blood flow. So I'm going to just turn it on. You can hear the air compressor going, and then once we hit the button, you're going to hear how loud it is when it's hitting those areas. Yay! So it's a pretty intense treatment, but it doesn't hurt like most people think it does based off of what it sounds or what it looks like, but it's very effective with treating like peripheral neuropathy, plantar fasciitis. There's a lot of other conditions that we use to treat it with as well too. Some clinics use it to treat erectile dysfunction because it stimulates blood flow so good. So we don't do that here, don't worry, the tip is clean. Yeah, got a Lysol, disinfectant wipes. We're doing whatever we can to keep people safe as well. So if you know someone that has something like peripheral neuropathy or has questions about Shockwave, share this video, pass it on to them. We just want to educate and let you know some of the treatments that we do. We're giving you a behind the scenes tour at Coastal Integrative. Have a good day.